At first, I really didn't think ultrasound was going to be a big deal until I learned more about it.
There's so much more of an art to what we do in ultrasound besides just pushing buttons.
I started using ultrasound to look inside of areas that I couldn't see in before, and it's been eye-opening to me. I feel like I've had blinders on. That's why I think it's so important for injectors and providers who do aesthetic treatments to learn ultrasound, because we can't see what's in there.
Well, whether you are a new injector or an advanced injector, bringing on ultrasound is really going to benefit you right off the bat with just knowing your anatomy better.
That's why it's so important that we have a course like this with Candice Dery. She is amazing. She understands ultrasound. She's so good at it. She can teach us all of the subtle nuances that we need to know when we start to do ultrasound. Like, what's the difference between the fat and the fascia and the muscle? Where should we look at these arteries? How do we do that? How do we focus in? What megahertz should we use?
We'll step through each portion of the face so you can get a really good idea as to what it feels like to scan the face, what it looks like to scan that area.
I will be showing you ultrasound-guided injections so you can better understand filler placement in the correct planes of tissue.
I also have created a workbook so you can build upon your skills even outside the classroom once we are done.
It's really deciphering 150 shades of gray. It takes a while to learn, but you've got to start somewhere. And I use it almost every day in my practice, and I'm getting better and better at it every time I use it in every class I go to.